up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I created this hairstyle for you. This is my signature high bun. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, stay tuned to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos to come. Until next time, see you guys later. Okay guys, like I mentioned, I'll be putting my hair in a bun for you guys. It's sort of kind of in a braid out state because I literally just took down my braids from my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for you. So the products I'll be using is water, of course, it's in the spray bottle. My trusty Eco Style, this is the olive oil one. And of course, Gorilla Snot. So first I'm just gonna take a wide tooth comb and kind of comb my hair out because like I said, it's been in braids forever and I haven't combed it or anything. It is dirty, I know that much, but I'm just working with what I have. It's funny, you guys, I was just watching my old sleek bun tutorial and my hair was so super short. Now look, it is growing, boo. If you guys hear anything, that's my blinds knocking against the window. It's like super windy outside. Okay, so my hair is already combed out. Now I'm going to begin styling. So what I like to do is just comb my hair in the position that I wanted. I'm just gonna take a rubber band and I'm gonna loosely apply it. This doesn't have to be perfect because it's just the base for what we want to do. So then I'm gonna take my spray bottle. It's just water in here. I'm just gonna spray the base of my hair with water. Okay, now that everything's dripping all over me, I'm just gonna smooth that water into my hair. Then I'm gonna take a brush and brush that in. Then I'm going to take my Eco Style gel and lather on a good amount. I'm not too particular on how much I put on. I'm just going to pack it on. And of course, gonna take the brush and brush everything in. Now I'm just gonna take an elastic and double it so that I can secure my hair. And I'll be alternating with my brush and gel throughout the rest of the video just to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth. I'm adding water as needed to my hair so that it can be more smooth and sleek. Then I'm going to use my brush and a toothbrush to do my baby hairs. For some reason they weren't cooperating today, but it still was okay. If y'all know anything about doing hair, especially natural thick hair, this shit hurts. My arm was burning. I'm gonna take the Gorilla Snot to further sleek my edges. To create the bun, I'm going to smooth all my hair at the top of my head and then wrap it around and secure it with an elastic band. Then I'm going to take a head wrap to wrap my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the hairstyle can set. Okay guys, this is the completed look. You guys can go ahead and style your edges any way how you like. But for some reason, my edges, they don't want to cooperate today, but whatever, that's just fine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button if you liked it, and of course subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.